If you're running a logistics business right now, you already know what broken looks like. Dispatchers manually assigning routes on spreadsheets, drivers calling in because they don't know where to go next, customers blowing up your support team asking where their order is, documents being typed in by hand, one field at a time, delays that nobody saw coming until it was already too late. And the worst part? You're not behind because you're not working hard enough. You're behind because the tools you're using weren't built for the scale and speed that logistics demands today. That's exactly the problem we'll solve for you. At iTechnolabs, we'll build you an AI-powered logistics platform built to take the most painful, time-consuming parts of your operations and automate them intelligently. Here's a look at what's inside. First, AI-powered dispatch and route optimization. Your orders come in, your drivers are on the map, and the AI instantly assigns the most efficient routes, factoring in traffic, load, distance, and fuel cost. One click to dispatch your entire fleet. No planning meetings, no spreadsheets. Second, predictive ETAs with live anomaly detection. The AI monitors every active shipment in real time. The moment something is going to cause a delay, it catches it, recalculates the ETA, and prompts your team to act. Before the driver knows, before the customer calls, before it becomes a crisis. Third, ask your logistics data anything in plain English. Which driver had the most delays this week? What's my on-time delivery rate? Which orders are at risk right now? No reports to pull, no dashboards to dig through. Just type the question and get a real answer instantly. Fourth, AI-powered document parsing. Upload a bill of lading, a proof of delivery, or an invoice, and the AI reads it, extracts every field, cross-checks for errors, and flags anything that doesn't add up. What used to take hours of manual data entry? Done in seconds. Fifth, fleet health and driver behavior monitoring. Real-time safety scores for every driver. Continuous vehicle health tracking. AI alerts before a breakdown happens, before an incident occurs, before your insurance bill goes up. Stay ahead of your fleet, not behind it. And sixth, automated customer communication. Configure it once. The AI sends personalized real-time updates to your customers via WhatsApp, SMS, or email at every milestone automatically. Your support team stops answering "Where's my order?" calls. Your customers feel taken care of. Everyone wins. Now, these features are just the foundation. Every logistics business is different. Different workflows, different scale, different pain points. Which is why we don't just hand you a product and walk away. We work with you to understand your operations, identify exactly where AI can have the biggest impact, and build or integrate the capabilities that your business specifically needs. Whether that's custom reporting, warehouse management, third-party integrations, driver apps, or anything else that makes your logistics stack truly complete. The goal is simple: a fully AI-ready logistics solution built around how you actually work. If that's something you want for your business, whether you're starting from scratch or upgrading what you already have, let's talk. Book a free consultation call with our team. The link is in the description.